Hi guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another breakdown video, which is our live trading session. So in this video I want to break down the charts. Today's Monday. I want to show you what happened on GBPUSD, EURUSD NAS100, and show you how many trades Golden Incubator took. And by the way, we started a brand new $1,000 account, which is a real account that's going to add more results. And I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, so you can check it out yourself. Before I get into the video, I want to show you the results first, and then after that I start the video. So the first thing is our $10,000 account. As you are aware of, that in the past 24 hours it made 32%, which is almost 1% last night. And something crazy happened, guys. By the way, you can have access to this link. I'm gonna leave both links down below in the description, so don't forget to check it out. But let me show you my VPS account first, guys. So this is our $10,000 account, and today is March 7th, and look at this: $882, $253 profit. And look at these losses here. It lost 351 and 260, and before that it opened tons of small trades. This is March 7th, so let me see where the first one is. This is the first one: $13, $13, and it lost two trades, and it literally compensated those losses with two huge profitable trades. And in overall we are up $2,824, which is almost $100 to $200 for that particular day, as you can see right here. So it was 30% last week, now it's 32%, which is crazy. And the next account, which is our brand new account, is this one right here. So it took its first trade, 2% profit, 2.27% profit in a $1,000 account, which is completely brand new, and it was profitable so far. Very good. And if I want to show it to you and my VPS, it's going to be this one right here. It's pretty much the same thing. You can see the balance, you can see that it's live, it's not a screenshot, and it took a few trades and closed them all in profit with a few small losses. So guys, if you want to try Golden Incubator, feel free to try it for free for 7 days. So far it's 7 days, maybe it's less later, I don't know, I haven't changed it yet, but you can try it for free. Try it on a demo account to see how much profit you can make, and if you're happy with the results, go ahead and sign up with the real one and put it on your real accounts. And without any further ado, let's get into the main subject. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of correction, back replay for you and show you exactly what happened. Oh, it's already replay modes. Okay, so this is exactly 8 in the morning. This is when I wake up in the morning. So it's my 6 a.m. It's 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the first thing I do is analyzing market on a 5-minute time frame, and then I break it down to 15 minutes. I was supposed to do it from 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm doing it reverse. I'm doing it exactly the opposite. So, and then if you go to 15-minute time frame, you see that you have a huge drop in this area here. So it means there are so many gaps that are left over right here that needs to be filled in. So what I mean by that is that when the market drops significantly, or actually shoot up so much, it has to come back to filling the leftover gaps, and these are the ones that I'm exactly talking about. As you can see, so it drops significantly, correction, and then it's trying to create lower lows and lower highs to go down further, and then we have a huge break of a structure exactly right here. See, we have a huge drop, break of a structure, and then another break of a structure towards upside, and then in a 15-minute time frame I couldn't find any high probability order block. So there's no high probability order block in 15-minute time frame, but I knew that we have a few break of structures here, so I was kind of more willing to take a buy position rather than sell position. But if I switch it to 5-minute time frame, you will see that we have a high probability order block exactly right here. So this is a high probability order block that we have here. So what you could do is to set your alarm here, turn it on, and then Oh, okay, so sorry, it's a replay mode. So you could just, you know, put your alarm here, wait for the price to tap into this level, and then you could wait for a long position, because you know that although you have a huge bearish trend, but because of these breakout structures, you could assume that, you know, the market is trying to change its direction towards upside, and this is exactly what it's doing. But if you wait, you'll see that it actually tapped into this zone here, and then after that we have a bullish engulfing candle. So if you wanted to take your trade exactly right here and put your stop loss below the order block and take a one-to-one position, like one-to-one risk reward ratio trade, this is what would happen. It went up, it came all the way up to here, and then after that it dropped, it came down one more time, it invalidated the order block. You probably get a stopped out right here. You probably get a stopped out because of this spread. It depends whether, you know, it depends on the broker whether they stop you out or not, depending on the spread. But if you really put your stop loss exactly below the box, then there's a high chance that you get stopped out. But if you give it some space, then you should be fine. But on the other hand, you know, your risk reward ratio trade is going to be kind of, you know, more riskier, because right now it's not one-to-one trade, it's, you know, 98, like, you know, 0.98, and after that this is what happened exactly. So it never tapped into our profit if you wanted to take a one-to-one trade, and it would be a loss trade. But if you wanted to, you know, be very, very safe, what you could have done is to waited for this candle to shoot up, and then let's say that your target here, you don't want to change it, and then after that you see this candle here. So this candle, most of the times it is showing that you know, it has a reversal pattern. So what I personally do is that I put my stop loss either below this candle, or I would just put it in break even, because what happens is that, you know, it just drops and then stop me out, so my loss is going to be less. Or I could just, you know, move it to break even and then have a risk-free trade. So this is what you could do, or just close it manually here with a very, very small profit. It's totally up to you that what you want to do with it. So this is for GBPUSD. It was kind of messy today because of the fluctuations, and also we have this support level here. This is something that you need to take into consideration, but I don't trade support and resistance levels, so I only trade order blocks, and it was potential if you wanted to really take a quick one-to-one trade, so you could enter your trade here, close it here, but since it's a support and resistance level, then, you know, I'm not doing it myself. That's why I just said, okay, you know, we don't trade today, because support and resistance are not reliable. So this is for GBPUSD. So let's go to EURUSD to see if he had any potential trade for today or not. So for EURUSD, I'm gonna do a quick replay mode for you and show you exactly what happened during the time that, you know, I wake up in the morning. So the same thing, you know, we had a huge spike towards upside. Look at this drop here. That's why the price is trying to reach this level to fill in the gaps, and it already did. That's a good thing. So right here you could expect that the price is trying to reach this level to fill in the gaps, and I think it did right here as well. So if I want to draw my Fibonacci, it actually did. It already did, because look at this. Look at this golden zone here that the price was struggling between, and then it broke above the golden zone and dropped significantly. So, but I could say that, you know, I just wanted to do a little bit of correction, and it did. We have a breakout structure. Now we almost can say that, you know, the market is trying to be bullish, but we have no high probability order block here. What we have is a Fibonacci level from here to here, because this is exactly where the price started to, you know, go up and have a breakout structure here, because we have, you know, huge spike towards upside, correction, and then another spike towards upside. And this is Fibonacci. We'll see if it gets respected or not. Yes, it kind of did. So if you wanted to trade Fibonacci level, you could do that. You could draw your line from here to here, and then you see that you have this beautiful candle right here. This beautiful candle right here. So you could take your long position here, put your stop loss here. It's a 1-to-2 trade. It's beautiful. You could have a 1-to-1 trade if you want it, but you could have a 1-to-2 trade as well, just using Fibonacci level. That's what I'm saying, guys. You can combine Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement level strategy with order block strategy. It's going to help you a lot, or you can just focus on order blocks. That's what I'm saying. See, there's no high probability order block that we could actually use. We used Fibonacci level. It was successful. It was a profitable trade, and we were done for the day. That's the beauty of it, guys. That's the beauty of it, because you know that we have a breakout structure. You know that the market is trying to be bullish. So you know that most likely your Fibonacci level, if you draw it in a proper place, like in a proper location, if you can recognize the top and the bottom, then most likely your trade is going to be profitable. And it did, and it literally did, which is absolutely crazy, just using Fibonacci level. There's no support here. I mean, you could have used this one as a support, but I really like Fibonacci way more. I like the concept of it. And if you want to learn how to use Fibonacci level, I have tons of videos that you can watch, guys, on my channel. I have tons of videos about it. But look at this. We had a huge spike, correction, continuation towards upside, breakout structure here. So you know that it actually started from here. Okay, so this is the bottom of your Fibonacci level. Where's the top? Top, like, you know, the pinnacle is where the correction is starting, which is right here, like you know, the top, the very top. And yeah, exactly. This is the golden zone. This is the golden zone, and we have consolidation. We have really good what do you call it? We had really good momentum, and this is exactly what happened. Very good. It's a very cool trade. I hope you took it, guys. And if you have any questions, drop your comment here. I personally get back to you. And if you want to try Goldie Incubator, as I said, try it for free. It's completely risk-free. You're not going to lose anything. Just try it on a demo account to see how it works for you. I'm going to leave all the links down in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to ask your questions, and I'll see you in the next one.